I think about how a lot of the trades, they have this bad rap for, you get a blue collar job, you're working in the field. And myself, I'm actually a mechanical engineer. Graduated in, oh, when did I graduate? 2018. Worked it for a little bit, decided that I didn't want that life. So went back into construction. We've been building homes now for 6 years, and it's awesome. Just it's you, you get to see so much progress. Like you can go to work one day, like maybe Monday morning, and you have a foundation, and by the end of the week you're almost done framing a house if it's a smaller house. You get to see projects go from start to finish. So much learning opportunity. You learn how to do concrete or siding, and then you can do that on your own home. It's been great. And it's awesome because like we're able to build a house for quite a bit cheaper just because of the experience we have in the trades. I think that's one of the things that's really underlooked when like considering a blue collar occupation, working in the trades, is just all that real world experience you have.